Deep within the hyper-specialized ballistics of the botanical world, the Bunchberry Dogwood operates as a biological trebuchet. It is a masterpiece of high-speed mechanical engineering, designed to launch its pollen at a speed that makes it the fastest-moving part of any plant on Earth. The machine facts of this flower reveal a specialized leaf spring system. The four petals are held under massive tension by the internal stamen, which act like a cocked catapult. It is a biological torsion spring that stays locked until the release sequence is triggered by an insect. This engineering solution relies on a hair trigger latch. When a pollinator touches a specific sensitive hair on the petal, the latch fails in less than 0.5 milliseconds. The stamen then snaps upward, accelerating at 400 G, which is 800 times the force a pilot feels during a jet takeoff. The result is a high-velocity pollen cloud discharge. The pollen is catapulted into the air, reaching a height of several inches in a fraction of a second. This aerial delivery ensures the genetic payload is caught by the wind or the insect, maximizing the range of the dispersal mission. Diagram of the bunchberry flower catapult mechanism during the 0.5 millisecond launch. Psychological facts show that humans are humbled by this invisible speed. Because the launch is too fast for the human eye to see, it appears as though the flower does nothing at all. This reminds us that nature's most impressive hardware often operates on a clock speed far beyond ours. Humans must treat and care for the boreal circuit boards, the northern forest floors, where these specialized units grow. Habitat fragmentation acts like a broken trace in the system. Stewardship of these cool, damp woods is vital for the survival of these high-speed biological springs. The history of mechanical physics has been inspired by the bunchberry's stored elasticity. Engineers study how the plant manages such extreme acceleration without tearing its own cellular chassis apart. It proves that nature's polymers are built to the highest mechanical specs. Nature facts reveal that the pollen is launched in a dispersed cluster to increase the probability of a successful hit. By turning the stamen into a high-speed flail, the plant ensures that its cargo isn't just dropped, but is actively projected into the surrounding atmosphere. Caring for the bunchberry is a form of forest floor maintenance. As they form dense mats of vegetation, they act as thermal insulation for the soil, protecting the roots of larger trees. Protecting these tiny catapults ensures the stability of the entire woodland's thermal grid. The machine facts of the stamen show they are equipped with hinge point reinforcement. These joints are built from specialized cellulose that can withstand thousands of loading cycles without suffering from material fatigue. It is a biological version of a high-stress industrial hinge. Engineering comparisons often liken the flower to a micro-robotic actuator. Its ability to convert chemical energy into kinetic motion with such high efficiency is the gold standard for microscale propulsion. They are the primary consultants for the next generation of tiny robots. Every launch is a lesson in stored energy. The bunchberry proves that if you build enough internal tension, you can bridge a massive gap in an instant. It is a reminder that the quietest parts of the system are often the ones carrying the most potential for a sudden breakthrough. Every forest trail is a laboratory of elastic ballistics. By respecting the quiet work of these white-petaled mortars, we recognize the labor involved in botanical projection. It is a partnership between the sun, the water, and the fibers that turn a flower into a high-speed launcher. Let the bunchberry remind you of the value of timing. You don't need to be constantly moving to be effective. You just need to be ready to release all your energy at the exact millisecond it counts. Mastery of life is about knowing how to hold your tension until the trigger is pulled. Take care of the spring-loaded hardware of our northern woods. As we look toward the micro-acceleration goals of 2026, the bunchberry remains our most impressive consultant for high-speed motion. Respect the petal and protect the moss, so the master of the micro-launch may thrive.